clearly. Yeah, question number 15. From the following information, calculate BP, PV, profit. Okay, profit at 75% capacity, profit at 100% capacity. Okay, so these are all the items that you have to find. Now, what is given in the question? These are the given elements in the question. At 80% capacity, this is the sales, this is direct material, this is direct labor, this is variable factory overheads, this is office variable office overheads, and this is my fixed cost. Okay, so the capacity percentage is given to you, and you have to calculate the expected profits and everything. Okay, yeah, so let us make this, yeah, a cost sheet, I mean a marginal cost sheet. A marginal cost sheet. Write your particulars. This is the given column. So write your at 80%, at 75, so you have to find, and at 100%. Okay, so this is your capacity. Amount and CPU. So this is not given. Just write NA. Particulars, amount, CPU. Anyways, the CPU column will go blank because the quantity is not given, so there is nothing that you can divide, obviously. Okay, start with sales less variable cost is equal to contribution less fixed cost is equal to profit. Okay, so start. Sales is how much? First complete the part which is given in the question. जो given है पहले उसको complete करो. So this is the part which is given. So sales is how much? 2 lakhs at 80%. So write it down, 2 lakhs. ठीक है. Variable cost. Okay. Nothing, you'll have to calculate variable cost. Fine. So I'm doing it here. Working note number 1. Calculation of variable cost. Okay. So under that I have direct material, direct labor, variable factory overheads, variable admin overheads, दैट्स इट. ओके. या तो मटेरियल कितना है? 30% ऑफ सेल्स बोला है. फाइन. लेबर कितना बोला है? 20% ऑन सेल्स. फाइन. Variable overheads 10% of sales, and this is 15% on sales. ठीक है. तो सेल्स कितना है? 2 lakhs. फाइन. तो 2 lakhs का 30% is how much? 60,000. So write here 60. Okay. So ये जो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है, दिस इज एट 80%. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. या एट 80%. नेक्स्ट 2 lakhs का 20% is 40,000. 2 lakhs का 10% is 20,000. 2 lakhs का 15% is, I guess, 30,000, right? 15%, yeah, 30,000. So total this will give you your variable cost. Variable cost. So my answer is 60 plus 40 is 1 lakh. My answer is 1,50,000. Okay. So right here 1,50,000. Okay. और इधर लिख लो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1. ठीक है. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. तो ये आंसर तो मुझे पता चल गया. दिस इज एट 80%. I have to calculate at 75% and I have to calculate at 100%. करेक्ट. तो कैसे मिलेगा? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से. 80% पे इट इज 15, 1,50,000. तो 75% पे कितना? ओके. एट 80 इट इज 1,50,000. तो 75% पे कितना? ओके. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट इंडिविजुअली. आप ऐसे अलग से कर सकते हो. 80% पे 1,50,000. तो 75% पे कितना एंड 100 पे कितना? ओके. जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई सिंपली. You will get the answer. 1,50,000 into 75 divided by 80. So my answer is 1,46,25. I repeat, 1,50,000 into 75% divided by 80%. 1,46,25 is my answer. Similarly, calculate for 100%. 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 80. 1,87,500. 1,87,500. Okay. So right here 1,87,500 and next is 1,46,25. 1,46,25. Okay. So this is working note number 2. Not 2, still 1. ठीक है. Fine. Similarly, calculate for sales. Same way आपका sales का भी calculation होगा. ठीक है. So I'm continuing the calculation of sales also here only. Okay. So calculation of variable cost and sales. I'm clubbing it. सेम लॉजिक, जो लॉजिक वेरिएबल कॉस्ट के लिए लगाया सेम लॉजिक सेल्स के लिए भी लगाओ। ठीक है, 80% पे सेल्स कितना है, 2 लाख है, तो 75% पे कितना, 100 पे कितना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। ओके, so 2 lakhs into 75 divided by 80, 1,87,500. Next, 100 into 2 lakhs divided by 80, 2,50,000. Okay, so write down 1,87,500 and 2,50,000. Okay, so this is how you are going to get your sales as well as your variable cost. समझ में आया? Everyone understood this? Okay. Fixed cost का क्या फंडा है? It will remain fixed irrespective of the capacity. So it is 30,000. So it's going to be 30,000 throughout. Because irrespective of the capacity, fixed cost is incurred. ठीक है? So 2 lakh minus 1,50,000 is 50,000. 50,000 minus 30,000 is 20,000. Next, 1,87,500 minus 1,46,625 is how much? 46,875. 46,875 minus 30,000. 16,875. Next, 2,50,000 minus 1,87,500. 62,500 and minus 30,000. 32,500. Okay, so this completes my marginal cost sheet. ठीक है, so it's done. Fine. समझ में आया? Clear? It is clear to everyone? Next, now once this is done, अब आपको क्या फाइंड करने को बोला है? बीईपी. चलो पहले बीईपी कैलकुलेट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट बीईपी. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं बोला है, मतलब बीईपी इन रुपीज एज वेल एज यूनिट्स दोनों कैलकुलेट करना है. ठीक है, तो बीईपी इन यूनिट्स is what? Fixed cost upon contribution per unit. मेरे पास फिक्स कॉस्ट तो है 30, पर मेरे पास कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है, so this sum is not applicable. ठीक है, next what I have to find? BP in rupees. BP in rupees is what? Fixed cost upon PV ratio. मेरे पास फिक्स कॉस्ट है, पर मेरे पास पीवी रेशियो नहीं है, पर पीवी रेशियो तो हम निकाल सकते हैं. So let us calculate second thing which is asked in the question is PV ratio, which is contribution upon sales into 100. So contribution in the first case is how much? 50,000 and sales is 2 lakhs. So 50,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 100. So my answer is 25%. Okay, so this is my PV ratio. Substitute this value here, 25%, and you will get your final answer. 30,000 divided by 25 plus the percentage sign, 1,20,000 is my break-even point. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया, सेकंड पार्ट हो गया क्वेश्चन का। थर्ड क्या पूछा है? प्रॉफिट पूछा है। प्रॉफिट तो मेरे पास है। ओके, दे हैव पुट ABC, आई एम सो सॉरी, we'll also put ABC. A, B, नेक्स्ट क्या पूछा है? C. So let us calculate C. Profit at 80% ना, ये रहा, this is my answer. Just highlight it. C, then D, नेक्स्ट क्या है? प्रॉफिट एट 75, वो भी मिल गया, प्रॉफिट एट 100, ABCDE. Okay, here it is, the answer. E. ABCDE, everything is found. ठीक है, so this completes my sum number 15. So nothing as such is difficult in the sum. The sums are very easy. You just need to have logics behind doing it. That's it. Okay, now we can do the next question. Now look at this question number 8. See how slightly different it is from the rest of the sums that I have picked up. Okay. This is similar to your type 2, the second type of sum. Okay, now look into this question. They say that Fast Track Limited, summarize the performance, was declared as rupees in lakhs. So these figures are in lakhs: 500 lakhs, 600 lakhs, 200 lakhs, 245 lakhs. It is like this. Okay. Yeah. The chairman expect 50% jump in sales during 2007 over 2006. ठीक है. Next, calculate expected profit in the year 2007. Okay. MOS in the year 2005, BP in the year 2006, and capacity utilization in the year 2007 if company is operating at 30% capacity in the year 2005. And then sales target in 2007 if profit desired in 2007 was double the 2005 ka profit. Okay, so this is the question. Let us start with, yeah. Okay, make a marginal cost sheet. 2005, 6 and 7 also we will prepare. or if not required, you will just see how to do it. Yeah. Particulars 2005 and 2006. The 2 years profits and 2 years sales वाला concept है इसमें. Obviously yes. Two 2005, 2006 and 2007. Give the heading marginal cost sheet. I told you whichever sum it is, you should always start with the cost sheet. Okay. It will help you to relate. ठीक है, units produced sold नहीं दिया है. Great. Units produced, units sold is not given. So same thing will apply here also. It is not given. Same thing will appear for 2007 also. It's not given. Okay. Next, amount column. So I am omitting the CPU column. वैसे भी उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको बनाना है तो आप बना सकते हो, वरना वो वैसे भी empty जाने वाला है. Okay. तो I am omitting that column. I am just making the amount column. Okay. If you want, you can prepare it, but even if you prepare it, it's gonna go empty. And please write here rupees in lakhs, because I will be avoiding writing zeros. So mention it here. Sales less variable cost is equal to contribution less fixed cost is equal to profit. ठीक है, तो बस इतना इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है, आपको ये पूरा कॉस्ट शीट भरना है. ठीक है. So what's your sales? 500 and 600. Please write it here. 500. It's in lakhs. 600. This is also in lakhs. Profit is how much? 245 and 200. So write here 200 and 245. ठीक है. 200 and 245. Correct? So if you remember, this is type 2 sum. This is type 2 का question. ठीक है. I hope you'll remember the type 1 and type 2 and type 3. So this is type 2, but with a little variation, where 2 years profits and sales is given. Okay, but with a little variation, obviously. Okay, so let us start. Yeah, so write down. Yeah, PV ratio. I'll be using the second formula of PV ratio, that is difference in profits upon difference in sales into 100. Okay, so when I say difference in profits, it is 245 minus 200, and it is 600 minus 500, like this. Second year minus first year. So this is 45 divided by 100 into 100. So my answer for PV ratio is 45%. Okay. Yeah. Once I get my PV ratio, I know the other formula also of PV ratio, which says that the other formula of PV ratio says that, yeah, that PV ratio is also contribution upon sales into 100. So 45% is equal to contribution upon sales is 500. And next year also you will assume the same. 45% is equal to contribution upon sales 600. Okay. So this is 500 lakhs. Don't forget figures are in lakhs. So this contribution answer will be 500 into 45%. 500 into 45 plus the percentage sign. So 225 lakhs. So 225 lakhs. And this one will be 600 into 45 lakhs. 600 into 45 plus the percentage sign. So 270 lakhs is my answer. Okay. So 225 and 270 lakhs. Please write it down here. 225 and 270. Okay. 270. 270. Okay. Go reverse from here. ओके 200 कितना हो जाएगा 25 और ये भी कितना हो जाएगा 270 माइनस 245 25 दोनों भी 25 होंगे मतलब अपना आंसर राइट है बराबर ना आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट 25 25 ठीक है so I will continue with this sum we will join again at 5 okay so join with the same meeting ID at 5 okay so last lecture we were calculating this variable cost I'll just take you back to the question. Okay, so this is a type 2 question. 2 years profit sales given. Okay, with a slight variation that you are expect to calculate sales for 2007 also profit for 2007 with conditions applied. Okay. Okay. So 2005, 6, 7 sales is given, profit is given. We applied this formula PV ratio ka difference in profits upon difference in sales into 100. Okay, we got PV ratio 45% and then we substituted the other formula of PV that is contribution upon sales and we got contribution for both the years 225 lakhs and 270 lakhs which I substituted in this marginal cost statement. Okay, so we first got fixed cost 25 lakhs and 25 lakhs. Okay, then I told you to go reverse and calculate variable cost which we got how much 225 and 600 में से 270 minus 330. Okay, so 225 and 330. Next, MOS for the year 2005 and BEP for the year 2006 they have asked. Okay, let us calculate. So MOS for 2005. ठीक है. So formula is what? Profit upon PV ratio. Okay. How much is my profit in 2005? 200. And PV ratio we just got 45%. Our figures are in lakhs, don't forget that. 200 divided by 45%. 444.444. Okay. So 444.44 lakhs. So this is our answer. Okay. Next, what do we want? BEP. But for which year they have asked? Only 2006. Formula: fixed cost upon PV. Fixed cost is how much? 25 lakhs. Divide by 45. Press the percentage sign. So 25 divided by 45%. 55.555. Okay. So 55.55 recurring lakhs. So this is also what we got. Okay. So B is done. C part is also calculated. Next I want to find D. Capacity utilization. Okay. Fine. So next D. Okay. D में क्या find करना है आपको? Capacity. And the year. ठीक है. तो 2005 में they are saying the capacity of the business was how much? 30%. Okay. So they are asking you to calculate it for 2007. Okay. This is what they want you to calculate. So capacity will be always in terms of sales. तो 2005 का sales कितना है? ठीक है. Sales capacity. So 500 lakhs is the sales, and that time capacity was 30%. So 2005 में, in the year 2005, sales is 500 lakhs and capacity is 30. तो in 2007 sales, पहले मुझे 2007 का sales मालूम होना चाहिए, तब जाके मुझे उसका capacity मिलेगा. ठीक है. Let us calculate that now. So this is the missing figure that we have to calculate. Okay. Now see what here the question is saying. In 2007, what is going to happen? There will be 50% jump in the sales over the 2006 ka sales. Okay, so this information is there with us. Okay, so let us go here. आपका सेल्स कितना है 2006 में? 600. उसका 50% राइज हो जाएगा तो आपको 2007 का सेल्स मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन में दिया है. ठीक है. सो 600 प्लस 50%. सो दैट मीन्स द सेल्स is gonna be 900. Is this clear to everyone? समझ में आया how sales is 900 for the year 2007? In the question it is mentioned that 2007 का sales will be 50% up of 2006 का sales. तो 2006 का sales कितना है? 600. तो 600 का 50% राइज कर दो. So 900. Clear? Okay? अभी मुझे ये आंसर मिल जाएगा. तो अगर 900 सेल्स है 2007 का, सो व्हाट्स द कैपेसिटी? ओके, सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. गॉट इट? Cross multiply the figure, you will get the answer. Are you guys understanding? This is linked with this information, capacity wala. Okay, so cross multiply 900 into 30 divide by 500. So my answer is 54%. Okay, so in the year 2007 the business will be operating at 54% of its capacity. Am I clear? Is this question clear to everyone? Okay. So it's only Sayatan who understands. The rest others don't understand. Or are you guys so lethargic you cannot type a yes? Okay, so from here onwards, the level of the sums will increase, students. Now your tricky sum starts. Okay? Okay, I hope the sum is clear now. Sales ka connection is with this capacity utilization, so I got that answer. ठीक है, ये भी मिल गया. अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? 2000. अब मेरे को सेल्स मिल गया, तो अब मुझे ये भी मिल जाएगा, एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट इन द ईयर 2007. ओके, नाउ आई कैन गेट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो, ऑब्वियसली यस. फाइन. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा दिमाग लगाते हैं, कैसे क्या मिलेगा, कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, थोड़ा और दिमाग लगाते हैं. ठीक है. A lot of working notes will be required, students, for this sum, because you have to think in that fashion. Now listen one thing. What is the PV? PV is 45, right? And contribution upon sales. Sales कितना है? अभी मिला 900. I'm talking about 2007 year. So cross multiply, you will get contribution for 2007, which is 405. Okay. So write here 405. Okay. Yeah. 405. This you got from here. Okay. Go reverse from here. You will get your variable cost 495. ओके, फिक्स कॉस्ट तो चेंज नहीं होगा, तो 25 था, 25 ही रहेगा. ठीक है. सो नाउ आई कैन गेट माई प्रॉफिट 405 minus 25, 380. Okay. See, if you want, you can cross check your answer also. We can use this formula of desired sales in rupees wala, and we can cross check the answer. Fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. Okay. डिज़ायर्ड सेल्स हमें मालूम है 900, फिक्स कॉस्ट हमको पता है 25, प्रॉफिट हमको नहीं पता, पीवी रेशियो हमको पता है 45%. सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. 900 into 45%, 405. 405 minus 25 is 380. See, we get the same answer. Okay. Understood how to cross check? So you can find desired profit from the statement also. You can apply the formula and find desired profit also. Both the ways are correct. Okay. तो ये भी हो गया हमारा. This is also done. This was the A part. So see how jumbled up they have given information. Okay, so this is the A part of the sum. Okay, A, B, C, D is also done. Now the last part. E wala. What have they said? Sales target in 2007 if. Matlab you have to find desired sales in rupees. If desired profit is how much? Double of the profit of 2005. 2005 में कितना profit हुआ था? 200. तो 200 के profit को double कर दो तो कितना हो जाएगा? 400. So अगर desired profit 400 है तो desired sales कितना होगा? Okay, that is what they want you to calculate. Okay, so this is also easy. So A हो गया, B हो गया, C हो गया, D हो गया. Now let us calculate E. Okay, E. So you have to calculate desired sales and desired profit is given that it should be double twice of 200 rupees. So that is 400. 2005 के प्रॉफिट का डबल बोला है. Okay, 2 times of 2005 profit. ठीक है, apply the formula. Desired sales in rupees is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. So desired sales, yeah, fixed cost 25, desired profit 400, divide by PV ratio 45%. Solve this. 425 divided by 45, press the percentage sign. So 944.444. Okay, so 944.44 lakhs. So this is my answer. Okay, so this completes this question. Just note it down. Clear with the question? Okay, Saitan, you will send me the screenshot of the participants after the lecture. Okay? Okay, Saitan, have you taken the screenshot? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so this completes with the marginal cost, the first variety, I mean type 1, marginal cost 1. And your next topic is also marginal cost only, but an extension to the topic with managerial decision making. Okay, that's the difference between this and the other chapter. Okay, and from this question number 15 onwards, now you will have maximum sums depending on capacity utilization. Okay, with a little bit variation, like in type 2 a little higher level, type 3 a little higher level. Then you may have combination of type 1 and type 3, combination of type 1 and type 2, combination of type 2 and type 3, like this. Okay, so I hope the chapter is clear to everyone. Now let me take you to the next part, which speaks about, just a minute.